Before starting, put the auto-generated YouTube subtitles in French or your mother tongue to get everything. And slow down or speed up the pace as needed. If you don't have time to watch it, just listen this video as a podcast while doing something else. Now, listen and learn English as exploring our world. Now imagine every choice you make, big or small, splitting reality, creating a new universe for each possible outcome. In one world, you had toast for breakfast. In another, cereal. Each decision branches into a parallel life, unfolding without your awareness. This isn't just science fiction, it's a real idea in quantum physics. Every possible outcome is realized somewhere. Your life becomes a branching tree, with countless versions of you living out every possibility. The scale is staggering. Every dream, regret, or random event plays out in some universe. The question, is this just a wild theory, or could it be how reality truly works? Our parallel universes have fascinated us in stories, alternate histories, superhero crossovers, and endless what-ifs. But in the 20th century, quantum physics suggested this might be more than fiction. Scientists found that, at the subatomic level, particles exist in multiple states at once, until observed. This bizarre behavior demanded new explanations, opening the door to a radical vision of reality. Suddenly, the multiverse wasn't just a story, it was a scientific possibility. The multiverse suggests our universe is just one bubble in an infinite cosmic ocean. Some universes might differ only in tiny details, others in the very laws of physics. Each choice you make could create a new branch, a new you, living out a different outcome. Your life isn't a single line, but a vast branching tree of possibilities. Anything that can happen, does happen, somewhere in the multiverse. This isn't just philosophy. It's a consequence of our most advanced scientific theories. The multiverse transforms our reality into just one page in an infinite cosmic library. For centuries, other worlds were the stuff of myth and philosophy. But in the last century, the multiverse leapt from metaphysics to physics. Theories like eternal inflation suggest our Big Bang was just one of many, each spawning a new universe. Our universe is just one bubble among countless others, each with its own laws and history. Scientists now search for indirect evidence, like cosmic imprints, that could hint at these other universes. The multiverse is now a serious scientific idea, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. To understand reality's splits, we dive into quantum mechanics, the science of the very small. On our scale, things are predictable, but at the atomic level, particles behave like waves of possibility, not solid objects. An electron isn't in one place, it's everywhere it could be, all at once, until measured. This is called superposition. Reality exists in a blur of potential until observation chooses an outcome. The double-slit experiment proves this. Particles act like waves, interfering with themselves, as if they travel every path at once. Only when we look do they pick a spot. Quantum reality is stranger than anything we experience daily. The building blocks of our world are fundamentally weird. Superposition leads to a puzzle. Why does observation force a particle to choose a state? The Copenhagen interpretation says measurement collapses possibilities into one reality, but doesn't explain how or why. Does it require a conscious observer, or just any interaction? The answer remains elusive. Some physicists found this unsatisfying and wondered, what if the wave of possibilities never collapses? What if every possible outcome actually happens, in a separate parallel universe? This radical idea set the stage for the many worlds theory, where reality never chooses. Every possibility is real, somewhere. In 1957, Hugh Everett dared to ask, what if the collapse of the wave function was just an illusion? His radical many-worlds interpretation claimed the wave function never collapses. Every possible outcome actually happens, each in its own universe. Everett's idea revealed a cosmos far vaster and stranger than anyone had imagined. The many-worlds interpretation suggests the universe is an endlessly branching tree of possibilities. Every quantum event creates a new branch, leading to countless parallel universes. The math says all possibilities continue to exist. Many worlds simply accepts that. Reality splits whenever a quantum system interacts with its environment, a process called quantum decoherence. This leads to nearly infinite parallel realities, many almost identical to our own. If the many worlds interpretation is true, there are countless versions of you, each living out different choices. Imagine a vast gallery, each room showing a different life you could have lived. Every decision, every possibility, realized somewhere. Every potential you exists, the happier you, the braver you, the you who chose differently. In the infinite gallery of you, no possibility is ever truly lost. So odd in the multiverse, parallel versions of you can be nearly identical or dramatically different. Even the tiniest shift, a delayed atom decay, a different word in a conversation, can ripple into a new life. Every choice, big or small, creates new branches, new stories. You are a million characters in a million worlds, all unfolding at once. The many worlds interpretation suggests every possible outcome happens in its own universe, if all choices are realized somewhere. Does your decision still matter? Are you truly making a choice, or just a passenger on a branching railway? Yet, your choice shapes the reality you experience. In your world, your decisions still matter. In the many worlds view, you are the captain of your branch of reality. Your choices shape your world, even if other versions of you exist elsewhere. Your decisions steer your journey, making each choice meaningful and unique to your timeline. Free will empowers you to consciously guide your path, creating your own story within the multiverse. After exploring the mind-bending many worlds theory, we reach the big question. Is there proof? As of now, there's no direct evidence for parallel universes. But experiments like the double slit show reality's strangeness, where a particle seems to take all paths at once. Many worlds suggests each path exists in a separate universe, making sense of quantum mysteries, even if we can't see them. The many worlds interpretation is favoured by many physicists for its elegance. It explains everything with the fewest assumptions. Unlike the Copenhagen interpretation, which requires a special rule for observation, many worlds simply follows the math, branching the universe without exceptions. The cost? An extravagant number of unseen universes. But for many, this is a price worth paying for a theory that is both logical and beautifully simple. But the multiverse has become a powerful theme in our culture, letting us explore the ultimate what-if. Movies like Everything Everywhere All at Once and Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse use parallel worlds to ask who we could be. These stories explore identity, regret, and connection, making the abstract idea of the multiverse personal and relatable. Stories of universe-hopping heroes aren't just fiction. The line between science fiction and scientific theory is blurrier than you think. The multiverse is a real idea debated by physicists, not just a plot device. So, next time you watch a movie about parallel worlds, remember, science and imagination are closer than you think. But imagine countless versions of you, each living out different choices. Every regret, every triumph is balanced somewhere in the multiverse. The multiverse offers infinite second chances, a cosmic reassurance that no potential is ever truly wasted. You're part of a vast, interconnected existence where every path is explored and every story matters. But for every success, there's also failure. Does this make your life more meaningful or less unique? The only reality you can truly influence is this one. Your choices matter, shaping the quality and direction of your life. You are the author of this story, at the helm of your own journey. That makes your life infinitely precious, because you alone can shape it right now. We stand at the edge of a profound and dizzying idea that our reality is but one leaf on an infinite cosmic tree. The many worlds interpretation, born from the strange and beautiful mathematics of quantum mechanics, challenges our most fundamental assumptions about existence. It suggests that every choice, every chance event, every quantum flutter splits our world into countless parallel streams. In these other worlds, countless other versions of ourselves are living out every possibility, every road not taken. This vision of the cosmos is vast, humbling, and transforms our singular existence into a fraction of a much grander, more complex whole. It is a theory that blurs the line between science fiction and the frontiers of physics, asking us to be open to a reality far stranger than we ever imagined. Whether the many worlds theory is a true description of our universe is a question that may not be answered in our lifetime. Without direct, testable proof, it remains a tantalizing, elegant, yet unverified hypothesis. Some scientists will continue to see it as the most logical extension of our most successful scientific theories, while others will view it as an extravagant and unfalsifiable fantasy. But the power of the idea extends beyond the laboratory and the lecture hall. It forces us to confront deep questions about choice, identity, and meaning. It pushes us to wonder about the nature of our own consciousness and the significance of our personal journey through time. Ultimately, no matter where you stand on the theory, its greatest gift may be the sense of wonder it inspires. Perhaps there are infinite versions of you out there, living lives both subtly and radically different from your own. But only you, the consciousness experiencing this moment, can shape the future of this reality. The choices you make today, the kindness you show, the goals you strive for, these are the things that define your unique path. Every decision you make is an act of creation, a note that contributes to the symphony of your own life. So, stay curious, keep asking the big questions, and remember, in a cosmos of endless possibilities, your choices may echo far further than you think.